Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with DHL at 2026. So the Shopify and DHL are now partnered, and DHL services like Express, e-commerce, packets, etc. are pre-integrated into Shopify shipping, and that means you can access DHL shipping directly from your Shopify admin without extra apps and supported regions like the USA and Germany, with roll out to other markets through 2026. So what I want you to do is to go to your Shopify admin, and after that just go and click on settings. Then you will need to go with the left-hand menu and look for shipping and delivery option. Click it. And right now, I do want you to click on that option on the shipping section. Scroll down until you can see add rate. So you have two options, add rate. So select one and go with rate type, and then select use courier or app to calculate rates. So then the DHL options will appear if your region and store settings qualify. So my current region is not, so for you, if it qualify, you will be able to choose it. Then just set the shipping zones and then go with done. Once added, DHL rates appear at checkout in applicable zones, and you can print DHL shipping labels from orders. So just go and select order and create a shipping label and choose DHL right there. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.